Okay, जी, Assalamu alaikum. This is a small video of this Luna Insta 360 Luna Ultra. It's a 8K gimbal and it's a creative combo pack. That says creator kit. So that includes everything, whatever is required for the creator. So let's open it. That's a complete box and nothing more. Whatever is there is in my hands. We've got a quick start guide and few other documents. Keep it aside and then we'll open a pack. So I've got a very good bag. This is a very refined bag. I think it contains everything what we require. So let's try and open it. This is the actual camera. Few accessories and just take it out and just put the bag aside. Let's open them one by one. This is the stand which just fits under the camera. It has got a small tripod sort of clips which they just open up, and it has got a screw jack, where you can fit the tripod. Earmuffs, no need to open them if you want to see. These are the magnets, and this is one. And this is the mic. Sorry. Sorry for that. This is a mic. This has got a screen, and it is you can change the logo. And then in the combo kit, that is creator kit, you receive a battery pack also that works as a stand and a battery. This has got the same base as the other stand. So one thing included is the battery. That is something extra. And this is cable. This is USB cable. And this is the lens, the wide angle lens. Here it is. It's a wide angle lens. You can increase the focal length. Now let's open the actual camera. This is a case. You can open it. This is what the camera is. Now it's just a unboxing video. It's not a operation video. I just wanted to know that. I want you to know that this is a simple unboxing video. It doesn't pertain to any of the things. However, I'll just switch it on and let you know. This is how it is. Once you switch it on, either you rotate the screen, so it's just a starting menu where you select different prompts, and then finally it gets started. So this is where those two attachments they come in. Rest of the feature, it's a very good gimbal, lens from Leica. This is mic muff. Once, if you want to just switch it off, you just rotate it, and this is how you just switch it off. So this is what it is. It's a very small video. I hope you like it. Thank you.